Hi vibes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jackson Fire in Peace, and today's video is sponsored by XrsBeauty Hair. Before we get into the hair, let me tell you guys a couple things that came with it inside my box. So we have an edge brush because we're gonna definitely need to sleek them edges down. We also have a wide tooth comb to comb out those curls. We also have flexi rod, and we definitely cannot forget the wig cap, baby, the wig cap.
And we also have some adjustable straps because y'all know my head is big.
All right, so the wig that I will be showing you all today in this video is their 18-inch 200 density new clear lace and clean hairline body wave. This is a 13x6 lace frontal wig. So without further ado, let's go ahead and just get into it. Hair is looking nice, scalp is looking nice. Okay.
My respect, you not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like I'm Shaq. See the shots that I took, wet like I'm Book, wet like I'm Lizzie.
Okay, as you guys can see, we do have some clips as well as the adjustable straps that I showed you all earlier. That way you can add those onto the wig so it can fit to your liking. They also sent me over this clear lace sample so I can show you all exactly how it look and how it will melt on your skin using my Got To Be glue spray. As you can see, the lace is literally melting, girl. The lace is melted, okay? So we're gonna see if it looks like this on my head as it does on my hand. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. But don't forget to wash your wig, okay? All right, y'all, so again, this is a 200% density 18-inch body wave clear lace wig. I haven't laid the wig down yet. I just went ahead and put my cap install on, so now we're going to lay it together. But really quick, I want to show you all how it looks up close and how it's like actually laying on my scalp. So now let's go in with the actual install. All right, y'all, so I got my Got To Be glued here. It's gonna start in the middle.
Like a light, slept through the flight, hop for the night. 767 minutes, she got double bedroom, man. I still got scores to settle, man. I cracked down the block, made a right, cut the lights, pay the price. Niggas think it's sweet, it's on sight. Nothing nice, Vegas in my eyes. Jesus Christ, checks over stripes, that's what I like, that's what we like. Lost my respect, you not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like I'm Shaq. See the shots that I took.
Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna zoom in really close so that way you all can see the lace on my scalp. As you can see, remember I put on the cap. You can actually see the cap through the lace because the lace is so clear, it's so clean, so you can actually see the cap through it. So just be mindful if you were to get this wig that it is very clear, and you may actually be able to see your cap underneath. So I would personally do without the cap if you're not going to wear the wig for a long time. Okay, so I'm not handy dandy with a curling iron, so I end up going to my sister's house and having her actually curl the hair for me because that is not my forte at all. But I did want to show you all how the actual hair curled and how it hold a curl as well. Okay, vibes, so this is the final look of the hair. Again, this is XrsBeauty Hair
18-inch body wave wig. They're new clear lace, clean lace, okay? Get into it or don't get into it at all, okay? This is what it currently looks like on me. It is a 13 by 6 frontal as well. I just want to make sure I said that. I don't know if I said it in the beginning of the video, but I'm gonna say it again so that y'all will know. For me, because my skin tone, I did have to go in with some contour on the lace just so it can match, but other than that, it pretty much matches. As you guys can see, I'm not that good with baby hairs. The curls are definitely holding. I did comb them out a bit so that way we can get like a little fall wave. They are holding. And this hair, let me be quite honest, this hair literally has minimum, when I say minimum, very minimum shredding. Like, it doesn't shed like at all. Like, that, it's crazy. Even when I go with the wig brush, it literally never really sheds at all. But this is how the hair turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't mind the Dominican in the back. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. And don't forget, I will have all the items in the wig description down in my description box, as well as their link, so that way you can check out any other wigs that they have on their website as well. Again, thank you XrsBeauty for sponsoring today's video. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.
Yeah, Pastor Dawson Sally sending texts and sending kites. Yeah, he say keep that on like I say, you know this shit is tight. Yeah, it's absolute. Yeah, I'm back with Boo. La Ferrari, the Jamba Juice. Yeah, we back on the road, they jumping off no parachute. Yeah, shorty in the back, she said she working on the glutes. Yeah, and by the